Welcome to this quiet moment. Tonight, you give yourself time to rest and feel calm. This gentle routine will relax your body, soften your mind, and help your English grow naturally. There is nothing you need to do now. There is nothing you need to fix. Just listen to my voice and allow yourself to rest. Find a comfortable position for your body. You may sit or lie down in a soft place. Let your body feel supported by the surface under you. Close your eyes if that feels good. Or keep them softly open without effort. Choose what feels most peaceful for you. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Feel your chest rise gently as you breathe in. Now breathe out slowly and let your body soften. Again, breathe in calm and quiet. Breathe out any tight feeling in your body. Each breath helps you relax a little more. Tonight, we use simple English sentences. The words are easy, slow, and gentle. Let the sound of English relax your mind. You do not need to speak out loud. You may repeat the words softly in your mind. There is no hurry and no pressure here. You are safe in this moment. You are calm in this moment. Your body and mind can rest now. Say quietly in your mind, I am calm and I am safe. Feel your shoulders drop and your face become soft. Let your hands rest without holding any tension. Say gently, my mind is quiet and my body is relaxed. Feel this sentence move through your body slowly. Let your neck, shoulders, and back become soft. Imagine a soft wave of calm moving through you. It moves from the top of your head to your feet. Every part of your body becomes more relaxed. Say quietly, I see beauty in small things. Think of a soft light or a gentle sound. Let this small image bring peace to your heart. Say gently, I am grateful for today. Think of one small good moment from your day. Let this feeling of thanks warm your chest. Now say, I release my thoughts and welcome calm. Imagine your thoughts like clouds moving in the sky. They drift away slowly and easily. Your mind becomes wider and lighter. There is more space inside your head. The space feels quiet and safe. Say softly, I am warm, I am safe, and I am at peace. Feel these words wrap around your body like a soft blanket. Your breathing becomes slow and easy. Now say, my body is ready to sleep and my mind is ready to rest. Feel your body becoming heavy in a comfortable way. Feel yourself sinking into the place where you rest. Breathe in slowly and gently. Breathe out softly and fully. Each breath helps your body relax more. Say quietly, every breath makes me calmer. Feel your chest rise and fall with your breathing. With every exhale, tension leaves your body. Say gently, I sleep deeply and peacefully. Imagine your mind like a quiet lake at night. The water is still and smooth. Say softly, I am ready to rest and I am ready to dream. Let your thoughts move more slowly now. Let your body feel heavier and safer. Say, my thoughts are soft and my heart is quiet. Feel your heart beat slowly and calmly. Your mind becomes gentle and light. Say quietly, my body feels heavy and my mind feels light. Feel the comfort in your body. Feel the freedom in your mind. Say gently, I forgive myself and I forgive others. Let go of any small tight feeling inside you. Feel your chest open and soften. Say softly, everything is okay and everything is enough. Let these words sink into your body. Feel them in your arms and legs. Bring your focus back to your breathing. Breathe in calm and breathe out stress. Let each breath make you feel lighter. Say quietly, my mind is safe and my body is safe. Let this feel true inside you. You are protected in this moment. Say softly, you are loved and you are cared for. Feel warmth in your chest as you hear these words. You are not alone in this quiet moment. Say gently, sleep comes naturally and sleep is easy. Imagine floating softly on calm water. There is no effort and no struggle. Your thoughts begin to drift away. Your heart begins to rest more deeply. The night feels calm and safe. Say quietly, every muscle in my body relaxes. Feel your neck, shoulders, and arms become soft. Let your legs and feet relax too. Say gently, quiet fills my mind and calm fills my heart. Imagine soft light moving through your body. It brings comfort wherever it goes. Say softly, I am ready to let go and I am ready to dream. Let your breathing become slower and softer. Let your body sink deeper into rest. Say quietly, my body is fully relaxed and my mind is fully calm. Enjoy this peaceful feeling. There is nothing else you need to do. Say gently, my heart beats slowly and my breathing is gentle. Feel each breath move in and out like a soft wave. Everything inside you feels calm. Say softly, I am safe, I am peaceful, and I am ready to sleep. Imagine a warm light around your body. This light protects and comforts you. Say quietly, I see the night and I hear the silence. Notice the quiet sounds around you. Let the silence calm your mind. Say gently, the world is quiet and I am quiet too. Feel yourself become part of the calm night. Your body and the world feel peaceful together. Say softly, my thoughts slow down and my feelings are gentle. Imagine your thoughts like leaves floating on water. They move slowly and softly. Say quietly, I am ready to rest my mind and rest my body. Feel yourself sink deeper into comfort. Your whole body feels supported. Say gently, sleep is natural and sleep is easy. Let yourself float into rest without effort. Your body knows how to sleep. Say softly, I see soft light and I feel gentle air. Hear the quiet sounds around you. Feel safe in this calm space. Say quietly, my body is heavy and my mind is light. Feel the comfort in your body. Feel the calm in your mind. Say gently, I let go of today and I welcome rest. The day slowly fades away. Only calm remains. Say softly, I forgive myself and I forgive others. Release what you do not need tonight. Your heart feels lighter now. Say quietly, my mind drifts gently and my body rests completely. Feel yourself floating into calm. You are safe and supported. Say gently, you are loved, you are cared for, and you are safe. Let these words hold you. Feel their warmth around your heart. Say softly, my eyes are heavy and my body is ready. Your mind is ready to rest. Sleep is near now. Say quietly, I welcome rest and I welcome sleep. I welcome gentle dreams. Your body and mind are ready. Breathe in slowly and deeply. Breathe out softly and fully. Let your body sink into rest. Say gently, I am calm, I am safe, and I am peaceful. Let these words move through you. They prepare you for deep rest. Say softly, my mind is quiet and my body is relaxed. Your heart feels warm and steady. Everything inside you feels calm. Say quietly, I release worry and I welcome peace. There is nothing you need to carry now. Rest is enough for this moment. You are floating gently into sleep. Your body is resting deeply. Your mind is drifting into dreams. Your body feels heavy and comfortable. Your mind feels light and free. Your whole being feels calm and safe. Now take one last slow breath in. And breathe out gently. Let sleep come naturally to you. Tonight, you are calm and safe. Tonight, you are at peace. Good night and sleep well. Crescent Moon.